Agbotadua Kumassah has spontaneously expressed the value of Agbotadua in both terms. As said, the title Agbotadua is the second highest traditional rank in the chieftaincy hierarchy of Dukor Council. Agbotadua is the deputy to the chief as a traditional second in command. He serves as a principal liaison to the chief, while significantly political, cultural, and a social authority on behalf of his people and our ancestors. Agbotadua, your tremendous effort have lifted higher the spirit of we the young Agbotaduawo and have created a platform for us to upsurge. For your dedication and commitment during our 25th anniversary and inauguration, the council had awarded you with a resounding salutation and acknowledgement with ornamented citation. Your departure is a great loss to us as Agbotaduawo particular. However, we take consolation in the fact that we shall meet again beside our ancestors, where we all will sit together indiscriminately among our predecessors in one accord as a true relevant union. There we shall sit at our rightful places and dress in our own royal regalias as Agbotadua without any discrimination, and we will be adored with respect without any prejudice or any criticism from any chief. Today, as we say goodbye to you through the venedictory rite and the withdrawal of oath, as you enact as a reversal of a status from a royalty, to validate the old adage, naked we came, and naked we shall return to our ancestors. As the sword is lifted higher to the sky, and to the rising sun, and onto the ground, invoking them as a witnesses today, we, the Dukor Agbotadua, will say, fare thee well. We thank God for a kind man like you. Our ancestors will welcome you and give you a rousing welcome for a job well done for Dukor. Rest in perfect peace. Adenye Agbotadua Kumassah. Epa lugo ne jijole ntifa fama. Amen. By Dukor Agbotadua Council. Whenever a fire dies, it leaves ashes just to bear witness. The righteous perish, but no one ponder in his heart. Devout men are taken away, and no one understand. Those who walk upright enter peace, and they find rest as they lie in death. We must still face the reality of death. If we are united in death like this, then we shall be united together in the resurrection. It's taken from the book of Romans and selected verses. It is with a heavy heart to pay this tribute on behalf of Dukor Agbotadua Council to the sterling character, a noble and a treasured memory of our beloved Agbotadua, Kumassah. His journey through life as Agbotadua is not limited only to the Agbozo royal family, but extended to the Anlo Dukor as well. His advancement and contribution to Anlo Dukor Agbotaduawo and Anlo Dukor in general cannot be easily enumerated. At the time, Anlo traditional council system by some chiefs give an impression as discriminating against Agbotaduawo, even by their own dressing during any social gathering. These chiefs treated Agbotaduawo as uninvited guests. Most importantly, even when Agbotadua dies, it is hardly to see any chief attending to their funerals, to even partake in the withdrawal of oath, the venedatory rite of Atamuhoho. This eventually gave birth to the founding of Anlo Dukor Agbotaduawo Council. Tobi Boni Agbotadua was the first chairman, and Agbotadua Tobi Kumassah was the first secretary to the council and a co-life patron till his dismay.